Good morning. This is good afternoon. This is 1 o'clock Tuesday. Video of all of them. Deborah's gonna pick them up, and we're gonna look. We're gonna start out with Bruno. Hey, Bruno. Turn him sideways now. There you go. Okay, put him down. Big boy. Then we're going to start out with, again, second is Dudley. Big boy. Big old beautiful boy. Okay. Now we go to Cheeto, the blue. The blue. Here. This is Cheeto. Beautiful dog. Okay. Now we're gonna start with Smoky Blue, the yellow. All of them excellent looking. Okay. Now we need Gunner green. There's Gunner. He's in the green, very healthy, very big. Okay, now we're going to the females. Blue females, Liddy blue. She's in blue, she's in white. Okay. There she is. Okay, put her down. We need yellow, Violet. Hey, Violet. She's coming right along. She's not quite as big as the rest of them, but she's really improving. Okay, and we got red for Rosie. Right here, Mother.
Oh, baby. And we get
big old girl. She's gonna be a...
Look at the camera.
Pick of the litter. She's a big one. Hey, girl. Hey, Rosie. Alright, we'll get skies in a few minutes.